morning, kids. How are you today? Did you enjoy your weekend? Okay, great. I hope you did. So, again, this is Teacher LM, and this morning we're going to learn a new story. Yes, we're going to learn a new story. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. All right, so what did you see in the screen? Okay, in the screen, there is a hen, a female chicken, and an egg. Yes, it's a golden egg. Have you seen a real gold egg? Okay, I know, right? So, this morning we are going to learn about the story of a golden egg. Are you ready to listen? Okay, kids, so let's start. Teacher LM will read you a story about the golden egg. Okay, so the story of the golden egg. Once upon a time, there lived a cloth merchant in a village with his wife and two children. They were indeed quite well off. They had a beautiful hen which laid an egg every day. It was not an ordinary egg, rather a golden egg. But the man was not satisfied with what he used to get daily. He was a get rich twice kind of a person. Okay, so there is a man who is a quite well off. He is already rich, but when he see the chicken laid a golden egg, he is not satisfied because he wanted to get rich three times. Okay, let's continue the story. The man wanted to get all the golden eggs from his hen at one single go. So, one day he thought hard and at last clicked upon a plan. He decided to kill the hen and get all the eggs together. So the man is not satisfied when the hen laid one egg per day. So he decided to kill the chicken so that he can get all the eggs inside the chicken's stomach. Okay, let's see what happened if he really can find the golden egg inside the stomach of the chicken. So the next day, when the hen laid a golden egg, the man caught hold of it, took a sharp knife, chopped like this in the picture, off its neck and cut its body open. So the chicken was already died and the merchant cut the body of the chicken already. There was nothing but blood all around and no trace of any egg at all. He was highly grieved because now he would not get even one single egg. Oh, the merchant is very sad because when he opened the stomach of the chicken, he never sees a golden egg. And he is sad because he doesn't have a golden egg every day now because he killed the chicken. Okay, so let's see. His life was going on smoothly with one egg a day, but now he himself made his life miserable. So before he killed the chicken, his life is good already. He can buy whatever he wants, he can get whatever he wants, but he is not satisfied with that. So he killed the chicken, but now his life is bad because he doesn't have a golden egg anymore. The outcome of his greed was that he started becoming poorer and poorer day by day and ultimately became a pauper. Okay, so look at this picture. So the man was rich before, but look at him now. He become a pauper. He asked money in the street for the people who comes by. So this is what happened if you are not satisfied with what you have now. If you are greedy, greed. If you are always wanted something, even if it's not good. Okay, here, how jinxed and how much foolish he was. Okay, so how jinxed, that means he has a bad luck about what he did. Okay, because he is so greedy. Okay, the moral lesson of this story is one who desires more loses all. One should remain satisfied with what one gets. So it means that here, if there is a person who is not, like if you want something more and more and more and more, even if you had enough already, you will lose that all because you are selfish. Okay? You wanted more and more and more. But if you are, one should remain satisfied with what one gets. Okay, if you are already satisfied with your life, then you will be happy. Okay, you will be happy and you will be contented. Then you can get whatever you want smoothly. Okay, kids? So what is a moral lesson? A moral lesson, one who desires more loses all, and one should remain satisfied with what gets. So moral is a lesson learned from a story or event, a lesson about right and wrong. So kids, don't be greedy, okay? Don't be greedy. You should share your blessings, not you keep it all by yourself. It's not correct. Okay? Because the more you give, the more you receive. Okay, that is the story all about. And now, please enjoy the movie about the golden egg. Goodbye, class.